Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to end parking on ParkMobile app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is launch the ParkMobile app on your smartphone. So head over and open it up, and once you open it up, here what you need to do is you should see an active parking session on the main screen. If you don't see it, tap on the parking tab or go to my parking section, locate your current parking section. Once you do that, tap on end parking button or similar option on the screen. This will stop your parking session and stop the charges. After you tap end parking, the app may ask you to confirm that do you want to end your session. Confirm by selecting yes and end now. Once the session ends, the app should show a confirmation message or update your status to indicate that parking has been successfully ended. You may also receive a notification or email confirming your parking session details, including the total time and cost. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.